Hey, what's up, ladies and germs? It's your boy Danny. I'm here to watch Amberlynn Reid's newest video, spilling the tea and let's go shopping. So, you know, really enjoying really looking forward to the tea. Not so much to shopping, but yeah, let's see what
Hello,
the Amberverse has in
so we're
store
sitting
for
at
today.
day 9. Okay, it's not even morning, it's
Day
afternoon.
9.
God, I'm surprised I'm not covering myself with long sleeves because my excoriation, I hate that word, disorder has been
Excoriation.
affecting me
Never heard of it.
clearly, and you can see it on my arms, and I hate it so much, but I can't, I don't know, I can't let my insecurity stop me from
There you go.
you know?
The only thing that matters
Gonna
is what you feel, is how you feel about yourself.
But people, you need to stop making fun of me about it. Like, damn, I can't
Who cares?
control it. Anyways.
Who cares?
So, my weigh-in.
If you don't
I
have
use
haters,
both
you're doing something wrong. That's what I
scales,
always say.
My new and my old. But I'm just gonna start logging my weight with the new scale because it's like I didn't spend $80 just to let it sit there and still.
And plus it gives her a better weight. You know, it wasn't like 4 pounds lighter. So why go for the heavier scale? This says you're lighter.
I did weigh myself 3 times on my new scale, and I'm just gonna like take the overall like middle one. Thankfully,
didn't she say she was gonna take the heaviest in the other episode?
491.
And now she's saying she's taking the median.
So the middle of that is 491.2, but I could just take the heavier one.
In the next episode, she's gonna be like, "Oh, I'm just gonna take the lightest one. You know, the latest measurement."
Actually, we're about to take Twinkie to the vet because, as you guys know, she's been on this medicine that she takes for her. I guess like small dogs get like messed up knees or whatever, and Twinkie is old, unfortunately. Even though she acts like a spry chicken. What?
What?
Is it a spring chicken? Hold on. Google is my friend. Wait, where's my phone? Oh, it's in my pocket. Okay. Let me Google this. What's a spry chicken?
Google, 0 results.
A young person is no spring chicken. What? Spry chicken, used to describe someone full of energy and adventure. I was right, baby. A spry chicken, yeah.
I'm surprised.
A spring chicken? What's a spring chicken? I didn't feel like typing that one. Oh, it got me saying I didn't feel like typing that one. Wait, so what's a spring chicken? It's a young a spring chicken is a young person, but a spry chicken is Twinkie. She acts like she got all the energies when she's playing, but then any other time, she acts like comatose. Comatose. Wait, isn't it called comatose? Comatose.
Oh my god.
Anyway, Twinkie's wonderful though. She's super healthy. It's just like that's the only problem she has is her knees. So we're just gonna get her blood taken, see how the medicine is treating her, and we're gonna get a refill on that. I'm pretty sure because we have no more. And then my girlfriend does trim Twinkie's nails frequently. I don't, in the fear of like I don't want to hurt Twinkie, but I think we're also gonna have the vet, you know, just like touch up on those as well. Just a typical vet visit. So let's go. So I want to show you guys Twinkie in her seatbelt, and she's still able to lay down. Oh, she's so sweet.
Yeah, how about you put a seatbelt? Okay, she is wearing a seatbelt. Oh my god.
She does pretty good.
I'm proud of her.
Vet, I'm not gonna lie. This is like a curbside vet type of style situation. Sorry, I'm half asleep. But yeah. So it's raining.
Hashtag pluviophile moment.
So why am I showing you? You guys know what rain looks like. Alright, I'm gonna go. Oh my god. She's scared. It's okay. Here, let me get her out.
No, don't take me. You won't take me alive.
Do you want me to get her?
Do you want to just come in? Will you just carry her in for me? I know you're curbside, but
Aww, Twinkie was scared. So my girlfriend is gonna take her in. Twinkie usually doesn't get scared like that of the vet, so that was weird. I didn't have my mask with me. Thankfully, she has hers, but you have to wear a mask when you go in there, which is understandable if you do end up going in there because it is curbside. So I want to do an update and just say that Twinkie is okay. My poor baby. I'm just so upset because like I wish I would have had my freaking mask because I wanted to be the one to go in there with her. But yeah, she is fine.
Why couldn't she say this on camera? Why'd she have to say this on a white background with text? Gray background?
And it's like I didn't bring my mask because our appointment was curbside. So, poor baby, but she is great. She's actually sitting next to me as I edit this, just snoring away. I don't know if you guys can hear her. But the next clip is just
Why would we be able to?
sharing a little story time of a bird. And I need you guys to answer the question. Would you look at the bird or would you not? There's this van literally on the right side of me right now. It's like a huge van, and there is probably about 5 kids. I'd say in the ranging from 10 to like 13, and what I'm assuming might be their parents. It is 2 females though. I mean, it's 2022. Still could be their parents. You know what I'm saying? So please don't take offense to that because I'm a lesbian. So okay. So anyways.
Why would anyone take offense to that?
We couldn't see a dog, we couldn't see a cat, and we were just like, so what are they doing? Then I see that they have a bird in a cage, and I was like, oh my god, a bird, and I'm just like staring because I'm like, oh, it's a bird, so cute. I'm just like looking, taking peeksies, and my girlfriend's like, stop looking so hard, and I'm like, but it's a bird in a cage. How could you not want to look at a bird in a cage? And she was like, there's birds everywhere. And I was like, no, but this is a pet bird. There's a difference. I don't know. It was just like so funny. So my question for you guys is, would you be more like me? And would you, take a few glances at the cute little colorful bird? Or would you be like my girlfriend and you'd be like, stop looking. Don't look. Don't look.
What an amazing story.
I expect you to look at their bird if they have a bird in a cage. That's colorful and
wow.
cute and chirping away. I don't
what
know.
An amazing story.
So on the way home, we stopped and got some Starbucks. So I'm going to show you guys what we got. I don't know if you guys know this, but I just learned it. That when dogs have allergies, they lick their paws. Random
Dogs lick their paws for a lot of
got
reasons.
A grande lemonade. Calories on this. Solo.
I'm riding solo.
110 calories. I got 2 unicorn
Cake pops.
They're 160 calories each. Ugh, so worth it. My girlfriend's gonna have some of one. So.
Some of one.
I'll be taking off the calories on that regard. She got the turkey pesto sandwich situation type deal. That's usually what I get too, and I was going to get it. But I really wanted the Impossible sandwich, which was also less calories by like 100. So, I mean, since I was getting the cake pops, I was like, ugh. So this is 420 calories. It has cheese, eggs. There's just 1 egg, I'm assuming. Roadhouse, no, baby girl. And obviously the Impossible sausage, which is meatless.
That looks like,
obviously.
Honestly, that looks like
So,
off-brand White Castle.
she thinks she owns the place. That's my first meal of the day. Oh, thought I turned it off. So I wrote my girlfriend a little note, and she has to unfold it. It says open. This reminds me of those days
So
in school
quirky.
when you would write little love notes or little notes to your friends. So this is actually a heart-shaped piece of paper. I actually got this set from my aunt.
Anytime anyone says heart-shaped, Nirvana has just completely If you know, you know. If you know Nirvana, you know what word I'm thinking of every time that comes after that word. It's just anytime anyone says heart shape,
Valentine's
bam,
Day in 20.
my mind goes straight to that word.
She was sending me gifts for each holiday, and I would do the same for her.
Hey.
It's cute, but
Wait.
this is one of the gifts that she got me. I actually keep
My
them
God, I really
in here, and then this goes right here. I just keep this on my desk. It's just easier. Like I have colored pens here, highlighters. I have some lip gloss moments. I have a perfume.
Great.
Just a little spray. This is from the holidays. It's time I like either use it up.
A
or
Holiday
throw it
Inn?
away. It's Bubbly Rose, Bath and Body Works. Some more highlighters, colored pens. We have a little scissor moment.
How did I know she was going to say that?
Scissors.
How did I know that she was going to say a little scissor moment? Oh, God. Oh, God. Please don't tell me I'm starting to be like her.
Does that feel good? Does that feel good? So good. She's literally sunbathing. Oh.
Yeah, it's warm.
She literally just looked like a hot dog that you just flipped over when you're grilling it. She said, plop. I don't know why people hate so hardcore on lunch in bed or dinner in bed, but they don't bat an eye when it comes to breakfast in bed. Anyways, so for this meal we are eating in bed and watching
What? Because you wake up to breakfast. What? It's not like, all right, honey, you want to go get some dinner? Yeah, let's just hop in bed real quick. Like, yeah, okay, bro. That was like one of the dumbest things I've ever heard.
Which is the one to the right with like
Can't believe she said that.
and I love it. But then the one to the left is like this spicy ground sausage, mushroom, garlic, cream pasta situation. And I've also never had that type of pasta shape before, so I was like, oh my god, I want to try it so bad. So I also got that one, but I was like, oh my god, I'm kind of picky.
Yo, imagine being like, oh my god, I'm gonna go that pasta because I'm gonna try that pasta because the pasta is shaped differently. Oh man.
Crap. What if I don't like it? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this to try, and if I don't like it, then I can just, stick to my pesto. And then I was like, if I do like it, then I can just eat half of both, which is actually what I ended up doing. So I had half of both, and if I have to choose, the mushroom and spicy ground sausage, by far, hands down, the better one of two. But I do like them both. I'm just gonna say that the pesto one is amazing. That's actually the first time I've ever had pine nuts was when I had that pasta. So yeah, oh my god. Now I'm like salivating doing this voiceover talking about this pasta because when I tell you that mushrooms in there and that pasta was so good. Anyways, okay, I'm rambling. I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds.
You better not give me a copyright strike, Amberlynn, I swear. Alright, we're going mute, everyone. Bookstore moment. Believe in yourself. We're here to buy 35 journals, everyone. Jeez, sorry about that. That was very loud. It was my bad. Oh man, that was a fantastic shot. I wonder what date night smells like. Depends on the date, it could smell like regret. Oh, Oh, geez, my. Okay. Our program is back.
Wait, what is this? Oh, just a 5%. Okay, cool. I want to show you what we got. Well, I got Jodi
That's actually a
Picoult,
little
one
loud.
of my favorite authors. I don't know if this is like a new book, but I've never heard of it. Wish You Were Here. Sounded interesting.
Great song by Pink Floyd.
So I got that. And I'm thinking about starting a book club. So I got
Speaking
a
of which,
book club journal.
I actually have a Pink Floyd shirt, which you probably did not see at all.
My lack of vocabulary. I love that for me. And then I got a mindful year. It's 365 thoughtful writing prompts. Because I always love to write about something. Is this the last thing, baby?
Yeah.
I got a writer's year, 365 creative writing prompts, which I'm actually really excited. So that is what we got. I got. Now what are we doing? Going home?
Up to you.
Homesies. Okay, so I'm hungry and my natural instinct is to order McDonald's, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna have this couscous. It's roasted garlic and olive oil.
No, you shouldn't have the whole
It's so
thing.
easy to make. It literally takes like 5 to 6 minutes. And the only ingredient you need is this, obviously, and a little bit of butter. So I'm gonna get me, oh wow, this is a mess. And obviously,
I'm pretty sure that's not the right pan, but okay.
how much water do I need? Medium saucepan, combine 1 1/4 cups in a tablespoon.
Yeah,
of
it's
butter.
not a medium saucepan, but okay.
Should I use butter or olive oil?
Wait, is
I
that?
said I could use either. So this is a cup.
I don't know, that looks really big for some reason. It's really tall.
Oops. Okay. 1/4.
Bring out the country crock. Gotta have it.
I'm also supposed to put in the contents of the spices.
I'll just rip it. $11:35. Is that AM or PM?
Okay, so I thought I was filming, but it turns out I wasn't. I forgot that
Probably
I turned
PM.
it off. But I
Probably
put
AM,
the
actually. They were just
couscous in
shopping,
there. Now I have to remove from the heat and just let it do its thing. I have to add a lid though. It's literally so easy to make. Took me like 5 seconds. You have to fluff it.
Is she using metal silverware on that? If she is, that pan is crying.
I love the texture of couscous. Okay, so I'm eating again. I'm struggling tonight. I'm not gonna lie about that. Struggling today in general. When I start scrounging for things around the house that I normally wouldn't eat, that's when I know I'm kind of just eating to eat. I feel the sense of loneliness currently. Sometimes
Go talk to Jade.
when I cater to that, I just eat. So I'm eating one of my Jenny Craig meals. It is 250 calories.
At least that's better than nothing.
And it's just a
Not saying you
loaded
should
baked
do it, but
potato. I put a serving of ranch on here, which is 120 calories. So I'm currently sitting at 2,892 calories. I also have, which I have not logged yet, I'm pretty sure these are 80 calories. but I might have 2 of them. It is Quest. I don't know if you guys
Why?
have ever heard of Quest bars, but apparently they have little
With
candy
Jenny Craig
bites,
meals
as they
enough.
call
That's
them.
just
It's gooey caramel flavor
this.
with
That's just
peanuts.
classifies this
So,
as a
I
binge.
just feel like I need
I mean, it was a binge with the
chocolatey.
Jenny Craig meal, but you honestly don't need
More
that.
than likely, I'll probably be eating those to add another.
You just want that just because
160
it's
calories.
chocolate and
So
stuff.
I'm at over 3,000 calories today. I know I've gone into the 3,000s one other day during this series. Don't feel the greatest about it. Ugh, I don't know. I'm also having a.
You're gonna have your good
Dr.
days and you're gonna have your
Pepper
bad
cream
days,
soda, 0 sugar. If you guys have never had this, it
can't
is
let your bad
amazing.
days bring you down.
Chef's kiss.
Because that just brings
now
into a
that I
bad
can make
cycle
my
of
own
where you're
ice
just going to
with
failure
my
weight
new
loss if you
ice tray
let
that I
one
got,
bad thing bring you down.
I can like create my own
Or one bad day
fountain
rather.
drink. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this. I don't even know. Is it even gonna taste good? Like now that I've rambled, do I even want this anymore?
No.
I don't even know. Oh my god, this is the story of my life. Let's do a taste test together. Have you guys been enjoying these, like genuinely speaking? Like, have you been enjoying this series? I hope so.
What even is this series?
But yeah, the tea about Jenny Craig.
Oh, this is the tea.
It was recent. Very recent. I wanted to try Jenny Craig again, so I went there, you know, did the whole meeting thing, got the food, and then I just realized, like, it's not for me. I'm not gonna be successful doing that. My psychologist knows I'm not gonna be successful doing that. It's honestly just another.
What kind of psychologist just says no? You're not gonna do that. You're gonna fail. I mean, the psychologist should be like, you know, trying to give them support
To say it
at all costs. You know what I mean?
Situation.
You know what should probably happen? She probably did that, got all excited about doing Jenny Craig and ate one meal, then realized, oh yeah, this shit doesn't taste that really good. Ordered McDonald's, and then, you know, like, be like, yeah, no, I'm gonna fit. I'm gonna,
food.
you know, I'm not gonna continue it.
Might as well eat some of it. My girlfriends ate a couple things from it too, and she's thought it was okay. Like, it's nothing special. I'm not gonna lie. Their food is super low calorie though, so that's probably why it just doesn't feel like oomph. It doesn't have that oomph to it, if that makes sense. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go eat this. Bye.
Hello. So, honestly, I just feel sad right now. It's just such a
Why don't you go talk to Jade? Like, come on.
And I've done a little bit of crying.
Yeah, people that care
I'm
about
gonna
you,
cry
right?
some more. Crying does not make you weak, even though sometimes it's portrayed that way, but it kind of helps. And I'm also trying to remind myself, like, there's so many things that I'm grateful for. And during moments like this, I just have to
Oh my
make
god.
this and just be thankful
You're cropping
that I'm
on this.
breathing. You know, I have my mom in my life.
Why does it have
my
to be
fur baby,
cursive?
my girlfriend,
Like,
my
come on. I can barely even read
Yeah.
cursive as it is. Like,
YouTube,
from something music, girlfriend, and YouTube, rain, of course, friends, grass, doctors. I'm thankful for doctors. That wouldn't be really okay. I'm thankful for doctors, but I wouldn't really list them. Thankful for clothes. Okay. Water. Roof. Journaling and poetry. Wow.
you guys,
How
a roof
insightful.
over my head and water. I'm gonna go journal about these feelings, listen to some music, and hopefully just have a
Oh
calm
man,
night,
are you
'cause
guys
I'm tired.
you guys looking forward to the season's finale of the season of, huh? Because what even is this episode? What even is this series? This, you know, the season finale of the series. What? That's what it should be called, huh? So, all right, I'm done. I can't wait for that season finale because hopefully she does something special. I mean, if she doesn't do anything special, then what's the point of even having a finale? You know, like, what series are we even ending? Like, what even is this series? You need to answer the question in the series finale at least. We can't leave us hanging. All right, well, that's it for me. If you enjoy this reaction, please send me a like, subscribe, comment down below on some things you want me to react to, and I'll see you guys in the next reaction. Hope you guys have a great day.